Reading for October 23rd, Science of Mind, A Philosophy of Faith, A Way of Life by Ernest Holmes. Reading from page 349, paragraph 2, through page 350, paragraph 1, using inclusive language. Subjective mind and inspiration. Since the individual's subjective mind is the storehouse of memory, it retains all that the eye has seen, the ear heard, or the mentality conceived. Since it contains much that the outer human never consciously knew, and is the receptacle of much of the race knowledge through unconscious communication, it must, and does, have a knowledge that far surpasses the objective faculties. Realizing that the subjective draws to itself everything that it is in sympathy with, we see that anyone who is sympathetically inclined toward the race or vibrates to the race thought might pick up the entire race emotion and experience it if they were able to bring it to the surface, could consciously depict it. Many of the world's orators, actors, and writers have been able to do this, which explains why some of them have been so erratic, for they have been more or less controlled by the emotions which they have contacted. Anyone contacting the subjective side of the race mentality with the ability to bring it to the surface will have at their disposal an emotional knowledge that many lifetimes of hard study could not accumulate. But if one had to surrender their individuality in the process, they would better remain ignorant. There is, of course, a much deeper seat of knowledge than the subjective mind, which is the spirit. Direct contact with the spirit is illumination.